Hey organizers, Allison with Cascadin. Thanks for being here. One of the most powerful elements to Cascadin is also one of its simplest, and that's the to-dos. I use to-dos to quickly jot down ideas, thoughts, um, reminders, especially if I'm working on other things and I just don't want to lose that thought. And so sometimes what happens is I'll be documenting these to-dos in Cascadin, and then I'll go back and I'll look at them and I'll realize, oh, that's more than just a quick thing that I can do right now. I need to turn that into a task or a project. And so with Cascadin, you can actually convert your to-dos into tasks or projects. So I'm going to show you how right now. So from your dashboard, you have an element of your to-dos. Now remember, these to-dos are just for you. No one else can see them. But maybe one of these to-dos is actually more of a team, more of teamwork. And so we want to convert that to a task. So you'll notice on here that I have a TikTok to-do. Are we too old? Maybe it'd be fun. I don't know. Let's explore it. But I want to work on that with my team. So I'm going to click on the options icon to the right, and then I'm going to select Convert To. And I want to turn this into a task. You could also turn it into a project, but for now I'm just going to keep it as a task. I'm going to hit Save. And now I have the template for creating this task. So I can add a description, I can assign it to other people. So I'm gonna give this to my full communications team because I think we need to talk about this. Give it a priority, maybe it's low for now, set a deadline, reminders, all the things that you can do with any other task. And I'm gonna hit save. And now that TikTok to do is now a task and I can work on it with my team. So this is just one example of how you can turn a quick to-do into something more, using it as you brainstorm or write down ideas and build off of that idea into something more for your work. Check out our other resources and ask us questions when you have them. As always, take care and keep thriving.